So welcome guys, welcome again to Eugene Creatives, and here is the place where we get to learn and gain skills. So today we want to look at how we can remove duplicates from a given set of data. For example, we have a data here that contains name of people. Now as we can see in this data, we have some repetition or duplicates. For example, we have Harry, we have also Harry here. We have Jack, we have Jack. We have seen, we have seen. So as we can see, we have so many duplicates. So we can clean our data by removing duplicates. So follow through as we're going to learn this through this tutorial. Now as we can in the data in the tabs, we can go to the data tab, and we can see remove duplicates, something like remove duplicates up here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to select all of our data here and go to remove duplicates and select the names. As we have been provided with only names, we're going to press OK. As you can see that 3 duplicates value found and removed, 10 unique values remain. Now when you press OK, you will see that there will be no duplicates in the data. Example 2, we're going to remove duplicates in these two columns. Now we can see in the name columns we have duplicates like Harry, we have duplicates like Sin and Jack. In the state tab, or in the state column, we have also duplicates like we have New York repeated, we have another Washington has been repeated. So we want to remove the duplicate. So we are going to select all of our data and go to the data tab, and find remove duplicates. Now here we're going to first of all remove duplicates in the name. Okay, so as you can see, the names have been removed that have duplicates. When we go to the state column, also as we can see, we also have Washington being repeated. We can also do the same by going to the data tab, and again on remove duplicates. Now mark state and press OK. Now as you can see, 3 duplicates have been removed. Now our data is as clean as you can see. And then the final example is on these 3 columns. We are going to again select all of our data and go to the data tab, and up into the remove duplicates you select. For example, let's start with the state. 1 duplicate has been found and has been cleaned. Now as you can see, is there any other duplicate to remove? Any other duplicate? Yes, the state. Now we can also go to remove duplicate, and again instead press OK. Now there will be no duplicate, as you can see. So guys, as we can see, also we have in the name tab, we also have Jack being repeated, so you can remove the in the name and mark all the 2 and then click OK. As we can see, our data is as clean as you can see. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, those in YouTube, those in TikTok, follow, and then comment and request for more tutorials. Thank you.